For this video, I am going to show you how to sell tickets on Viagogo, which is a popular platform for buying and selling event tickets. So whether you have an extra ticket to a concert, sports game, or a theater show, Viagogo makes it easy to find a buyer. So let's get started. So first, before we start, I'm just going to explain to you what Viagogo is if you don't know yet. So, Viagogo, again, is an online marketplace where people can buy and sell tickets for a variety of events around the world. It is a great platform if you want to sell tickets securely and reach a large audience. Viagogo handles the payment process and ensures that both buyers and sellers have a smooth experience. So first things first, you'll need a Viagogo account. If you don't have one, just head over to viagogo.com and click on to the sign up button. So just fill in your details, create a password, and you'll be good to go. So if you already have an account, just simply log in using your credentials. Now, once you are logged in, it is time to list your tickets. So you can click this sell section or sell button right here on the upper part of your screen and click sell tickets from the drop down menu. And then in here, you'll need to search for the event you're selling tickets for. Just simply type in the name of the event, artist, team, or a venue and select the correct option from the drop down list. So as a sample, I am going to search for the script since they are having a concert here in my area. So I'm just going to click on to the result. And then from the options, you'll be able to see this different schedules that you have or available. So just simply select the event that you have a ticket for. So I'm just going to select this one, head over to this page right here. So next, right here, you'll be prompted to enter the details of your tickets. So this includes first the type of the ticket. So you can choose paper ticket or e-tickets. So I'm going to stick with paper tickets. Now you need to enter the number of tickets. So if the numbers are specified on your tickets, all tickets must be consecutive. For non-consecutive tickets, you must create separate listings. So just simply take note of that. So I'm just going with one, and then now you need to enter the seating details. So just need to select a section. For mine, I have, for example, lower box, and then there you go. And then just need to fill in all of the applicable information. But for the lower box, it doesn't need to have or doesn't have any row or seated number. So I'm just going to skip that. Now you need to enter the face value. So it says right here, face value is the price printed on the ticket, excluding the booking fees. So you just need to fill that information. And then now about you. So if you work for Viagogo or the organizer of this event, you're required by the section of this one of the consumer rights to select it below. But if you are not, I don't think that you'll need to select from this. So I'm just going to select neither of this. So for the selected restrictions on use, so you can just select whatever applies to your tickets. So I'm just going with over 18 ticket. So you just select whatever, again, whatever works for you or whatever applies to your ticket. And then now select the required ticket details. So it says right here, different informations. So you have limited or restricted view, includes VIP pass, alcohol-free area up to the restricted legroom. So this is an important information. So make sure that if there include information about that, you need to check that in this section. So now once you scroll down on the last part, it says right here selling to people in United Kingdom or Europe. So in order to sell to customer in UK or Europe, you must select any or select if any of the below apply to you. So I'm just going to select that. I'm going to hit continue. So I'm just going to add a price for mine. 335 continue. Now, one of the most important steps is setting the price for your tickets. So Viagogo will give you an estimate right here. Estimate based on similar tickets that have been sold, but you have the flexibility to set your own price. Keep in mind that Viagogo charges a seller fee, so factor that into your pricing. If you are unsure, you can always start with the suggested price and you can just adjust it later on. And once you have set the price, you'll need to choose a delivery method. If your tickets are electronic, you can upload them directly to Viagogo and they'll handle the delivery to the buyer. So if you have physical tickets, you'll need to ship them once they are sold. Viagogo will provide you with the buyer's address and any shipping instructions. So now after listing your tickets, you can manage them on your account or on your dashboard. So there you can edit the price, update ticket information, or remove the listing if your plans change. And you'll also be notified when your tickets sell, and Viagogo will guide you through the next steps. So unfortunately, I cannot go through all of the processes. I really don't have a ticket that can sell. So that's basically it. I hope this tutorial helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.